In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe to GoDaddy website. Here's the plan. We'll go straight into your website's commerce controls, open the payment settings, and talk through what you should see there, including what to do if Stripe isn't showing up. By the end, you'll know exactly where Stripe belongs in your GoDaddy dashboard and why it may or may not appear, depending on your region. Once you're in your GoDaddy dashboard for your online store, start by opening the store area. This is your commerce hub. It's where products, orders, customers, shipping, taxes, and payments all come together. Going here first ensures you're working inside the correct site if you manage more than one. Next, head into Settings. Think of Settings as the control panel for how your store operates behind the scenes. This is where you fine-tune business information and core policies, and it's also where GoDaddy places your payment configuration so everything stays organized and consistent across your storefront. Now open Payments. This page is the gateway to your payment providers and options. If Stripe is available for your location and plan, this is where it will appear. You'll typically see it listed alongside any other processors that GoDaddy supports in your country. When Stripe is supported, the platform usually offers a simple connect flow. Expect to be redirected to Stripe to authorize the connection and confirm your business details, then brought back to GoDaddy with the link complete. It's a good idea to have your business legal name, address, bank account details, and any verification documents handy so the connection and compliance checks go smoothly. If you don't see Stripe on the payments page, that's usually because of regional availability. GoDaddy only shows payment processors that are supported in your store's country, and Stripe also maintains its own list of supported countries. If either side doesn't support your region, Stripe won't appear as an option. Your store's country setting, which lives with your business information in GoDaddy, determines what you see here. Make sure that setting accurately reflects where your business is legally based, since payment providers rely on that to meet banking and compliance rules. If Stripe isn't listed, consider the alternatives GoDaddy presents on this page for your region, or contact GoDaddy support to confirm eligibility and discuss available options for your location and plan. If Stripe is listed, the on-screen prompts will guide you through the connection, and you'll manage all payment-related preferences from this same payments area going forward. That's the workflow. Open Store, go to Settings, then Payments, and check for Stripe's availability based on your region.